Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So how are you all? Hope so all of you are well and fine and enjoying all of my videos. In this video, I am going to be sharing with you some most stunning and amazing crochet baby headbands ideas. These are crochet baby headbands for summer, having very attractive and beautiful crochet patterns in them. Most of these designs are having crochet simple 5 petal flower pattern as well, like this one having beads inside as well, and you will see most of the designs having 2 or 3 row repeat patterns having crochet flower, which is also a beginner friendly flower attached to it. So all of these designs are very unique and attractive. You can see this beautiful crochet granny strip pattern having only 3 sets of double crochet stitches inside it, and this one is also very simple crochet headband having a single crochet stitch and a simple chain flower attached on it. So most of the designs which I have included in this video are simple and extremely beginner friendly. Many of the tutorial videos of crochet baby headbands are already available on my channel. I will put the links of some videos in description box as well. You can check them out and you can make a few of them for your babies and try for this summer. So if you know crochet work, you can make them by yourself at home very easily because stitches are very beginner friendly and flowers are also very simple and quick to make. So you can make these crochet baby headbands very easily at home by just taking a screenshot of any specific design which you like the most and you want to make, and make it by yourself at home if you know crochet work. However, if you don't know crochet work at all, you can follow the tutorial videos as well. Some of them are really super easy to make, which you can make in just first or second attempt as well. And if you want to give them a try by purchasing them online, then you can visit etsy.com or Amazon for this purpose as well. Many of the crocheters are selling their products on these two platforms, so you can visit them and purchase these crochet baby headbands, and even you can purchase crochet baby dresses for your babies as well, and any other crochet item can be purchased from these platforms, and their patterns are also available on these platforms, so you can also purchase patterns and make them by yourself at home as well. So just let me know in the comments if you are interested in seeing more tutorial videos of different crochet baby headbands on my channel. I will make them for you. Many of the tutorials are already available and you will find the links in description box of this video as well. And if you are interested in more tutorial videos, let me know in the comments. I will share more ideas of different baby headbands with you. So stay connected to get them all. Thank you so much for watching this video. Take care of yourself and your family. Remember me in prayers. Bye.